Hello my darklings, it's me, Cherry. Thanks for joining me. Today I am unboxing the October Fortune Cookie Soap Box. The theme for this box is The Show Must Go On, I believe. And I think it's based on the movie The Greatest Showman. So, yep, The Show Must Go On. Here we go. And we've got 4 different items this month. Let's see. All you need is love is the sticker we got. Just sort of sepia toned paper today. Let's see. Spectacular. Okay. So the first item on our list is the Spectacular Hydrate Me. I love these in the winter. You actually put them on while you're in the shower and you massage it into your skin and you don't rinse it off. So like you soap up and wash yourself like you normally would, and then you slather this on. Actually, less is more for me. You slather it on, you rub it in, and you leave it on. And after you step out of the shower, don't like rub your skin. You can like pat it dry. But it does a really great job of hydrating you if you're like me and you're lazy and you just don't even want to deal with lotion. This stuff is absolutely fabulous for that. Absolutely fabulous for that. So it says, no words in the vernacular can describe this lovely scent. You'll be dumb with wonderment. So exciting, so delighting. This fragrance blends together citrusy notes, pineapple, and honeydew melon. Interesting. Ooh, that smells delightful. This will be perfect come springtime. I tend to be a little bit seasonal with my personal scent choices. I really like since we're going into like the colder months, I really like cozy, warm type feeling scents. I don't know, you know what I'm saying. So the citrus notes, pineapple, honeydew melon, this is delightful. I will definitely hang on to this and use this when spring comes around. Next up is the Greatest Thing hair oil. Okay, here we go. The Greatest Thing hair oil. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love pink pomelo with a splash of raspberry, mellowing with hints of ocean breeze, cedarwood, and sandalwood, and be loved in return. Isn't that sweet? Let's see. Oh, okay. That's really nice. I'm just sort of like wafting it into my nostrils. It's got just kind of a very like beautiful blend of all those scent notes. The pomelo doesn't come off as too citrusy. The raspberry doesn't really stand out. The ocean breeze, the cedarwood, the sandalwood, it's all just kind of blended into this beautiful note. I don't use their hair oil a lot because I don't need, like, I guess I just don't care that much about shine. But I'll keep it around just in case there's a day that I decide I want to shine up my locks. Next one is We Should Be Lovers. Nope, not you. Next up is We Should Be Lovers Twinkle Tonic Exfoliating Toner. This one says, you think that people would have had enough of silly love songs. Enjoy the juicier scents of the Asian pear and violet notes from the garden blend Enjoy the juicier scents of the Asian pear and violet notes from the garden blend well into this sweet fragrance. How wonderful life is now that you're in the world. I've never seen the movie, but I'm guessing they used music. I guess it's like a musical. I'm learning new things. I tend not to use their facial stuff because I have sensitive skin, and scented facial stuff doesn't always work really well for me. But it looks like cleanse your face and then you saturate this on a pad and use it like you would a toner, basically. I'll open it up just to smell it, but I'll probably end up giving this away. Oh, that smells nice. You definitely get the violet. The violet is definitely the predominant note in my opinion. That smacks me in the face right away. I don't really get Asian pear, but interesting. Come what may, laundry detergent. This is what she looks like. Nice little sample size. I haven't tried their laundry detergent yet, so I'm excited. Suddenly, the world seems like such a perfect place with this seductive blend of sultry blackberries, enchanting sweet papayas, and a playful hint of warm amber. I will love you till my dying day. Okay. So it says use 1 tablespoon in a conventional washer and use up to 2 tablespoons for heavily soiled or larger. I'm gonna crack this on the corner just to sniff it, and then I'll put it in a plastic bag to save it because I wanna try it on my clothes. I don't tend to have super sensitive skin when it comes to laundry detergent, but I guess we'll see. Not gonna slice my hand open. Okay. Not gonna spill it. Okay. Yep, so you get the amber. You get the papaya. And a little bit of blackberry. The blackberry isn't super strong, but that's nice. Okay. That's quite nice. Very cool. Well, that's exciting. I always like when they send like weird stuff that I've never tried of theirs before, but that I've always like thought about trying. So I'm excited to try that laundry detergent. That should be interesting. As far as my favorite thing, I think I gotta give it to the Hydrate Me. Spectacular Hydrate Me. Just because it's the thing that I know I'm gonna get the most use out of. It smells lovely. That scent blend of the citrusy notes, the pineapple, the honeydew melon, just delicious. And I can't say enough good stuff about the Hydrate Me formula. So I will have a link down in the description box to where you can sign up to get on the wait list for the Fortune Cookie Soap Box. Unfortunately, right now there is a wait list. So, but I see pretty frequently in their Facebook groups, they're adding people all the time. So, yes, the full Show Must Go On collection launches on October 30th at 12 noon. So don't forget Black Lives Matter. There's a link in the description box below to a huge resource of different ways that you can help no matter what your circumstances. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please make sure you go out and vote in this election. It is super important. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If it's not your jam, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Hit subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. And please stay spooky. I don't know why I winked with my left eye. I'll see you next time.